Check the sensor array on Unit 3. We have a deviation.
Confirmed. Recalibrating the stack parameters now.
Staging Zone 2, Sector 4. Confirming volume estimate.
Estimate confirmed. Proceed with loading.
Check the diameter on that last stack.
The tablet says it's within tolerance.
All right, let's clear this zone for the forwarder.
Manifest confirmed. You are clear on lane 3.
Roger that. Proceeding to the way station now.
Alpha Heavy, you are clear on lane 3. Watch the crossover. Copy that. Rolling now.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge right here. If it drops below 50, the jets won't clear the bark properly. The diameter scan on C23 looks off.
It's within tolerance. The laser compensated for the bark anomaly. We're holding steady at 90 degrees.
Good, the fibers should be soft enough now.
The reading on the tablet shows a spike near the center.
I see it. The handheld confirms it's within acceptable range now.
Check the sensor array on Unit 3. We have a deviation.
Confirmed. Recalibrating the stack parameters now.
The automated system ensures flawless organization, supervised by the floor team operating the control stations.
Check the flow rate on Unit 3. It looks a little thin over here.
Got it. Adjusting the pressure now.
To create high-quality plywood, the veneer must be stacked cross-grain with absolute precision, as demonstrated by the team here.
Pressure stable at 500 psi. Steam release initiated on schedule.
Keep the alignment steady on the next panel.
Temperature reading is stable at 4K. The alignment on panel 3B needs adjustment. Confirmed. Temperatures are holding steady across the line.
The uniformity is holding steady at 99.8%.
Looks good. We are clear for the next batch.
We have a minor fluctuation on the starboard side. Adjust the frequency modulation.
Acknowledged. Running calibration sequence now.
Pressure holding steady. Lamination looks clean.
Agreed. Speeding up the conveyor slightly.
The high-speed drills create precise mounting holes, with shavings extracted instantly. Then the
The stability on the left leg is fluctuating more than expected at this load.
I see that. Let's maintain pressure for another minute and check the deformation metrics.
The readings on the tension seem consistent now.
Yes, the alignment is perfect down the line.
This facility represents the pinnacle of automated storage, where robotic shuttles operate with pinpoint precision.
I need that pallet wrapped for lane 3.
Already on it. Did you scan the manifest? All right, that's the last pallet. 40 tables secured.
Looks good. Everything accounted for on the manifest. Okay, that's the final count for the Aspen order. Confirmed. They're good to go.